Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to indent the first paragraph in a Word document. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So let's look at the first paragraph. Select it and click the right mouse button. Select the paragraph option, and in the window that opens, we are interested in the indentation section. Using the left and right settings, we indent all lines of the paragraph. For example, let's make an indentation on the left and right by 1 cm. The indentation has been added, which we can see wonderfully in the preview window. Great, now regardless of the indentation for the entire paragraph, we can indent the first line of this paragraph separately. In the special drop-down list, select first line and set the indentation value. Let's make it 2 cm. As you can see, the indentation for the first line has been added. If we select the hanging option, everything will change and the rest of the paragraph will be indented, and the first line will receive only the general indentation on the left and right. Please note that all our changes are reflected in the preview window. Click OK. Of course, we can do the same thing with the ruler. The upper marker indents only the first line of a paragraph, while the lower marker indents the entire paragraph and controls the upper marker at the same time. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.